What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forexrockstar. Man. Look at this. Look at the power of this. You can see that I opened a couple of few trades right here. I'm trying to show you how powerful my approach to the market is. In a space of less than 30 minutes, I've doubled my account, almost double. It was double my account. So, like you see, if you know what I know about the market, you have no reason to be afraid. Look at that. My target is 50% of every small account that I trade every day. My target is 50%, and I've already exceeded. I was twice my target. I know this market is going to go down further, so I don't know whether I should close this trade or I should keep it, but I know it's going to go down further. The power of this concept is that you don't need to worry a lot in the market. Just follow the principles. Just know the rules and follow the rules blindly. It's just that simple.